it's Megan with WTI, and if you're anything like me and you love being outdoors in nature, but you also love being indoors, snuggled up in your bed, then this XeGe duvet cover set might give you a taste of both. I love this gorgeous sage green color. To me, it really conjures up this wild, naturey, carefree sort of vibe. It is incredibly cushy and fluffy. It was this way as soon as I opened it, but to be honest, I think it must have been a little bit shy and reserved at first, but after about a week of using it, it really revealed all of its glorious floofiness. The reverse side is this luxurious velvet material that I think is a great contrasting texture for visual appeal. It is also really soft against the skin. Overall, this duvet cover set really adds to the coziness of my bed, and it is an especially welcome addition during the current cold snap we're having. And that's my point of view.